Hello guys, here's another video. In this one we'll be changing the number plate lights or making them into LEDs. I got these from HALFORDS for £4. So it's very straightforward. You get your tool like this. Okay guys, so what we're going to do here is you got this is your normal parking light or license plate light. So what we're going to do is get a prying tool. Make sure it's plastic, don't get a screwdriver because that's going to damage the paint. Now what we're going to do is going to push that and then pry like that. Yeah. Then what's going to happen is this will come like this. You're just going to twist that. Twist it, and then we're going to pull it out. Might be a bit stiff like mine, so just pull it out gently. Now there's the piece. This is the old light. I'm just going to pull it out. And then in with the new light. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this here for now. I just want to test it first, so let me just put the other one in. Same thing here. Just pull it out. Pull out the old one. Put in the new light. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go test it, so bear with me a moment. Stay here. Are they on? Okay, so now we're gonna work our way backwards. I'm just gonna put this in. Make sure you put it in like this, because as you will see there are some little holes here, and see a little thing here that goes in. There's a little thing, so you've got to make sure the angle that you put it in, because you've got to push it in and then twist. Okay, and then just twist it sideways. Okay, that's one. Okay. Okay, and then there is two. Okay, let's turn it on and test it out. There you go. That's it for the video, guys. Obviously it's daytime, so it's not going to show as well. But yeah, in the nighttime, it shows very clearly. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.